Great morning, great morning, great morning. Hey, this is Wesley Virgin. In this video, I want to show you, hey, look, focus on my smile. Because the more that you focus on my smile, in about 5 minutes, you're going to be smiling as well. In this video here, I'm going to show you how to make money during the shutdown, okay? How many of you right now are being affected by the shutdown, the COVID virus, the pandemic? Say, me, Wes. Well, what I'm going to show you right now, proof what you can do as a beginner, okay, to make money on the computer right now during these tough times. Listen, if you lost your job, I got something for you. If you're a beginner on the internet, I got something great for you. Get ready, you ready? All right, so check it out. This is my YouTube channel here. Hey, feel free to subscribe and like the video only if you're getting massive value. If you're not getting massive value, don't like, don't subscribe, it's all good, okay? So listen, let me give this disclaimer. This is not a get rich quick scheme. If you're looking for that, leave this video right now, okay? But it is a way for you as a beginner to start making some income so you don't have to fight traffic any longer. Okay, the first website is this, boom, guru.com. Now listen to me, let me show you something. Now, I was laying in my bed here and I was thinking, what can I give my loyal subscribers here so they can start making money, right? Because I know you guys don't know how to do internet marketing yet, okay? That makes sense? So, check it out. Guru.com. Write that down, please. Guru.com gives you the opportunity to basically have people like me hire you. Listen, I have about 30 people that I've hired on this platform per month. Okay, so think about it. Let's go here. Let's hit find freelancer, because you may be thinking, well, Wesley, what can I do? Anything. If you know how to be a graphic designer, this is good for you. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a hack. If you have no skills, I'm gonna give you a hack on how you can get this done in a very cool way, okay? Does that make sense? So listen, maybe you're a developer, you know how to create websites. Maybe you're a person that knows how to correct bad grammar or bad spelling when it comes to copy. Maybe you're a person that knows how to review stuff. On this site, whatever your skill is, right? Think about your skill that you did at your job. You can actually post here on the computer. You get it? Right here. Like right now, I'm in Miami, Florida, right? I'm enjoying my best life. So I'm here in my bedroom and I can post a job right now, okay? And people like me, I'll hire you, okay? See these people here? People are making six-figure incomes just by posting a job online. This is easy money. Now, I know what you guys thinking. Well, Wesley, what if I have no skills? I'm gonna show you something at the end of this video that you're gonna love me. You're gonna hit the like button, you're gonna sub, and in the comments below, you're gonna say, I love you, Wes, or give me that tip. Okay, so wait till the end of the video here. But question, I want a couple of people below to comment, what do you do well that you think that you can post a job online, okay, and get paid for it? If you have a skill, say, Wesley, I have a skill. Well, just go here, it's free to do. You go to guru.com, you have millions of people per month that come to the site. I've been using the site for years, by the way, right? Every month I hired about 30 people because I fire people. I hire people, I fire people, you know, all the time. Depends on your work ethic, right? So they hire people to do everything. Like, how many of you can be my assistant? Just go to guru.com. How many of you can be an administrative assistant? Go here. How many of you can be a virtual assistant? Go here. How many of you just can check email? I mean, people like internet marketers, they go to these sites because you have people around the world that are willing to do whatever, and we need help in our businesses. That makes sense? So say if you're a customer service person, right? You used to get in your car and go to your job. like a crazy person, right? Making $8 an hour. Where you can come here and post a job for $10 an hour, $15 an hour, and do the same exact job from the comfort of your bed, right? I'm doing it. I'm in the comfy of my sheets and my covers, and I'm so comfortable, and I'm so snuggled, and I feel so good right now. Why? Because I work from home, all right? That's one. Write that down. Guru.com. The next site is Upwork.com. You know what's so funny? So typically, I go back to the hood because that's where I grew up. I grew up in the hood. Not the hood, but I did grow up in the hood, right? And, you know, a lot of people know me from my videos, from Wesley Virgin on my Instagram, my YouTube channel. And people say, hey, aren't you that guy with the Lamborghini? Are you that guy that got all those freaking cars? I'm like, yes, sir. Well, what do you do? They always ask me that. What do you do? So basically, I met this guy. He was taking pictures of my Lamborghini Euros. And he basically wanted to know what I do. He wanted me to help him. I said, listen, do you know, like, he take very good photographs, by the way. And I said, did you know that you can post a job on this site here? Because he was trying to find a way to present his service to the marketplace, and he didn't know how to do it. And I said, do you know that you can put whatever you do well on this site called Upwork.com, and people around the world will hire you? I think he was like a web guy or design guy. Listen, you can do admin support, customer service support, marketing. How many are good at marketing? Right? Accounting. It is no need to go back to your job during the COVID virus. Listen, people, I know you guys go to monster.com, sending your resumes to Billy Bob and Joe Blinn and all those people. Listen, you can go here, post whatever you do well, create a profile, right? And they even have a way to sponsor your profile so thousands of people will see your profile per day. Does that make sense? But basically, so the guy, I said, hey, just go to Upwork, man. You can put your job, what you do well, right here, and people will hire you. Okay? Somebody said, is this an international site? Yes. If you're in India, you can do this. If you're in Philippines, you can do this. If you're in Africa, you can do this. It is worldwide. Hit the like and share button, because I know a lot of my worldwide followers want to know that. Listen, anybody can do this. I have about 30 people from this site that work for me right now. Okay? Now listen, if I deserve your like right now, I want you to go to Wesley Virgin, hit that sub button right now, and hit the like button right now, because Wesley just gave you value. But I'm going to give you more value. What, Wes? Yes, more value. In the comment section right now, say, Wesley, give us more value. Now, listen, this is for the people with no skill. No, you know what? Wait. Let me hold that tip. I got one more thing, okay? Not only can you post your expertise, your skill on these sites to get hired, you can also become an affiliate marketer, okay? How many of you know what an affiliate marketer is? It's just a person that recommends products and services on the internet. That's all what it is, okay? You don't have to be an expert at creating products. All you need to be able to do is recommend and say, hey man, I found something online. Give them a link, check it out. If they buy, you make money. So what I recommend is digistore.com. You go to the marketplace here. As you can see here, overnight millionaire, Wesley $1 Virgin. I'm the #1 product in the world right now, and I'm grateful. Listen, and it always wasn't like this, okay? So don't let that fool you. I worked my butt off to get here, okay? And what I'm telling you, if you work, right, through my systems or through these videos here, you'll be able to do the same thing. Make sense? So listen, let me keep this silly, dumb, stupid, elementary, okay? All you have to do, if you want to start today to promote, first you got to get a Digistore account. Check, it's free. Then you click the word promote now, okay? You get an affiliate link. Makes sense? I need to log in, but I don't have a login right now, not on this computer here. But when you get that affiliate link, that link is what you use to get paid with. Digistore will pay you every single week. You take your link and you start putting it around the web. Listen, I have a video right now on my YouTube channel. If you go here, and if you go to videos, I have a video that shows you step by step how to make money with Digistore. Let me show you. See this? See this video right here? Digistore affiliate marketing for beginners. It's a free video. You don't have to pay me money. You don't have to invest in my program. If you need more help, in the description, I have a link that says help. But to be honest with you, I have a ton of free videos that will show you how to do this, okay? So that's the third way. Now, let me give you the tip. Now listen, if I deserve your likes and shares right now, go ahead and like, share, and sub this video if I gave you massive value. Why? You might say, Wesley, why are you doing these free videos? Listen and listen close. Service leads to greatness. I believe that the more I serve people, the more I become a great person. I'm so blessed right now. I'm in Miami. I bought me a brand new property here. I have 2 properties. I have one in Miami, one in Houston. I retired my parents. I even helped my brother make $1 million. You know, I help tons of people every single day that hasn't given up on their dream, haven't given up on their life to make it. But you got to work. If you're looking for something fast and quick, I'm not for you. I'm looking for someone that's willing to work 24 hours a day. And listen, I can make you a millionaire, okay? Or I can ignite that wealth or that skill level that's within you and make it better. Does that make sense? So listen, let me give you the last thing. This is for everybody. And if I deserve your like and your sub, that's cool. And always turn on your notifications for more crazy videos, but very informative, right? I try to make this entertaining, right? Most videos are boring. Now, this is for everybody. Listen, this is for everybody that has no skill, okay? That has absolutely no skill. They say, Wesley, I don't know what I can do on Upwork to be able to make any money. I have no clue what to put on guru.com because I don't know what I can do, right? I can't write. I'm not a good admin. I'm not a good nothing. And listen to me. You are good at something, but you haven't figured it out yet. But let me show you something cool. Daddy Wesley is going to help you, okay? Because I love you. Straight up. Now listen, you're going to do this. Go to Fiverr.com. I love Fiverr.com. So what you do is this. Say if you want to post a job. That's it. Find jobs, okay? And say if the job is looking for proofread and edit pages of content. Look at that. So they're going to pay somebody $250 just to proofread something. That's insane, right? Who can't do that? You can do that. Everybody that's watching this can do that. But say if you say, well, Wesley, I failed English, but I want that $250 right now, right? Because I need to make money. So listen, when you go to Fiverr, you apply for the job, you create the profile, and you make it look good. You make it look like you're an expert, okay? Does that make sense? Then you go to Fiverr, and you type in proofread. I know you guys getting excited, right? I used to do this in the days when I was really trying to figure this thing out. Look at that. These people right here, I will provide book editing and proofreading. I will be a professional, blah, blah, blah. So basically, these people will proofread the book for you. So what you do is you get the job, right? You tell the person that you've been doing this for a while. Now you're amazing. You're great. Whatever, right? Okay. And then when you get the job, you just switch over here. You sit and work the Fiverr. Listen, I know some of you might say, that is wrong. That is lying. Listen, all of you lie about something. How many of you have ever lied on your resume? Come on now. You lied. Talking about you're hard worker. No, you don't work. You don't know how to work at all. Listen, you know, it is what it is. I don't call it lie. I call it exaggeration. You know what I mean? Exaggerate yourself a little bit. Don't. Because no one wants to broken you, right? No one wants to lose you. So you have to act as if. So act as if you are a great proofreader and you hire an expert for 25 or 20 bucks. Do the math here. Well, guess what? That's like you're making $225 and you didn't do any work. Now, how many of you are going to like and sub me right now? That was powerful. Hello? Listen, you can go through here and you can find proofreading type of content that people are going to pay you. You can find web jobs, whatever. Then you go back to Fiverr and you hired the person to do the actual job. Does that make sense? Somebody say, he is funny. I am funny, but I'm informative at the same time. What I'm telling you is stop sitting there in your broke house or your broke apartment feeling bad and feeling upset about your life. This is a way to make money. This is easy. You just got to do it. How many of you right now comment in the section below and say, Wesley, I'm going to take action on this. Okay? Listen, I just gave you several ways to make money right now during this tough pandemic time in our lives. Okay? And I take it very seriously. Okay? Listen, Upwork or Guru.com. It is some skill level that you have right now that you can do this, okay? It is some skill level that you have. I'm sure some of you can do customer service jobs. Hell, I may hire you. You know, as a matter of fact, I'm looking for an assistant right now, and I'm looking for more customer service people right now. I want you to comment below when you apply for a job, when you create your profile in the comments below. I want you to say, Wesley, hey, can you review my resume or review my listing on Upwork or Guru? And I'm gonna come back to this video and I'm gonna find somebody from this video to hire. Now it's up to you to do it. And if you have that mentality and say, well, I never get chosen, you never will. But if you have that expectation mentality, I may hire you. Just like I hired Ariella. Ariella worked with me for free. Now Ariella is a multi-millionaire. I could do the same thing for you, but you gotta take action. That means eliminate your negative, skeptical attitude like the poor and broke do. That's loser mentality. Go to Upwork, create a profile. Go to Guru, create a profile, right? Choose one of these categories that you believe that you can do some nice fire work in, right? You can see all the categories right here, right? All the categories are right here. So many categories. Choose one that you can do. You can translate. Some of you know how to speak different languages. You can do it as well. It doesn't matter what country you can do this. Now, hit the like button if you're going to take action right now. Sub right now if you're going to take action right now. Do it. You don't have to remain broke, poor, a loser, no money in your bank account. You don't have to remain that way. This is your freedom ticket. This is your time to win. Am I making sense? Okay? And listen, if you have absolutely no skill, which I don't believe, everybody has some type of skill level. You're just not digging deep enough. All you need to do is go to Fiverr. You find the job, right? Find the job on Guru or find the job on Upwork. Apply for it. And if you get it, just go here to Fiverr.com and get somebody to do the work for you. Okay? And just do the math as much as I mean, I know people that do this on a daily basis. I know thousands of people, because I know everybody in the internet industry that actually makes money. And they do this behind the scenes. I got a kid from Africa that does this. I know a kid from freaking India that does it. He's like 19 years old. That's all he does. This is it. Okay? Yes, it's like freelance. Okay, guys. Hey, I'm done. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Hey, if I deserve a like and a share because I gave massive value, if you want me to create more great videos that are free like this, which means is you don't have to give me any money. You don't have to invest in me. I do have products. If you need more help, in the description below, I will help you how to take you out of your current situation and transcend you. But if not, listen, you can do this yourself. Okay? Watch the video again. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the share. Sub to the channel if you want more of these massive value type videos. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go!